This reading is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is your energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. So let's see the energies. General reading, pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What's the energy for Capricorn? First half ng May. Uy, wow. You need this, Capricorn. Good luck. Oh, may koi fish. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng bibili kayo ng koi fish or merong koi fish sa bahay ninyo. Or pwedeng buhay, pwede rin namang painting. So you will receive experience good luck. I-claim nyo na yan, Capricorn. That's a good energy. That's a good start. There's good luck. Or maari rin good luck sa inyong mga bagong endeavors, sa mga plans ninyo, mga gusto nyong ma-experience, simulan. Okay, some of you will spend more time with nature. You know, hiking. Ano pa ba? You will spend more time with nature. Okay, ngayong first half. Pwede ikaw ay magbabakasyon. With your family, with your loved ones. What is the overall energy for Capricorn? The Seven of Swords. Ooh. Meron ditong, yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon kayo ng imposter syndrome. Alam niyo yung parang feeling nyo, you don't deserve something because you feel like hindi naman talaga yun ikaw. Something like that. Let's clarify this. What is the Seven of Swords? Okay. You have the Justice card. Oh, Capricorn. Ito na yung time na ma-receive mo yung hustisya, no? Na, kumbaga, merong mga taong may ginawang kasalanan sa'yo, kalokohan. So, you will finally deserve the justice. You will finally get the justice that you deserve. Pwede rin yung mag-apply sa court cases. Pwedeng kayo ay mananalo sa court case. I also see here na meron kayong realization of an intention. Kung ano yung intention ng isang tao sa'yo. If this is a good intention or not. Okay? Kumbaga merong mare-reveal. Let's see the challenge. The Emperor. The challenge is about your discipline. Minsan kasi parang hindi tayo talaga nagiging dedicated and committed sa mga goals natin. So this is your challenge on how to give yourself the direction na dapat mong tahakin, yung step na kailangan mong sundan, yung disiplina na kailangan mong ibigay sa sarili mo. The structure. Diba? That is your challenge. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, pwede magkaroon ng challenging situation sa person na in authority sa buhay mo. Let's say your boss or your parents. Now, your opportunity is the Four of Pentacles. So, you have the opportunity to stabilize your money, your finances, your foundation. Okay? This is also saving money. So, iba sa inyo, may opportunity kayo ngayon na mas makapag-ipon kasi ibig sabihin nun, mas maraming income na papasok ngayong first half ng May. Okay? You also have the opportunity na may pagkagastosan pagdating sa bahay, especially if you are uh, building a house or renovating your house, your home. And then your blessing is the Five of Pentacles. Okay, as a blessing, kasi Five of Pentacles to, this is about overcoming your financial struggles and financial challenges. Kasi nga, you already have the opportunity na ayusin yung kaperahan mo. Okay? Nasa blessing mo siya ngayon. And I think, this is also, parang siyang blessing in disguise sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng, merong mawawala. Okay? Na, yung bagay na yon pag nawala sa'yo, kala mo, problema siya at first. But actually, yun yung way para magkaroon ka ng space for a new opportunity. So, let's see the energy for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Capricorn. You have the Chariot. Oh, yung ganda nito. This is about victory. This is movement. This is success. So in your money, your career, your finances, you will experience success ngayong first half ng May. May mas marami ka matatapos ngayon. Kumbaga, you're going to be very busy and maraming achievements. Kumbaga, kahit yung mga minor things, no, na goal mo, ma-achieve mo. Like, for example, meron kang mga trabaho na kailangan mong matapos in a few days. So, magagawa mo yun. Okay? This is also recognition. You might be recognized sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. People will celebrate you. Some of you, this can be travel opportunities dahil na rin sa career mo or sa business mo or trabaho mo. Some of you naman, you may be buying a new car. Okay, love life. You have the Queen of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong karelasyon ngayon, pwede magkaroon ng challenging situation sa relationship sa person that you're dealing with. Pwede magkaroon ng miscommunication. So, make sure na na-express nyo ng maayos yung sarili nyo, na naiintindihan ka, naiintindihan mo yung other person. If you're single, meron kang iwasan na tao na hindi mo feel. Hindi mo siya feel sa buhay mo. Na pwedeng may interest sa'yo, pero ikaw wala ka namang interest sa kanya. Okay. Then, the final message is mind. You are the master of your inner world, and you decide how the outer world affects you. Cultivate a calm inner state. Wow. Okay, ikaw daw yung master ng inner world mo ngayon. Kaya kahit na magulo sa paligid mo, kung hindi mo yan i-allow na maapektuhan ka, you will be at peace. Magiging kalmado ka. So, protect your peace. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.